Well, it was not a unanimous jury that convicted Evangelisto Ramos of second-degree murder back in 2016. But his case is hardly over at this point. He's actually taking it now to the Supreme Court. Depending on what justices there decide, decades of our state's criminal cases could resurface. Local 33's Harrison Golden explains.
Louisiana's days of convicting criminal defendants on split decisions may be coming to a close, but with the Supreme Court agreeing to hear the case of one Louisiana man, thousands once found guilty on 10-2 or 11-1 verdicts could get new light.
There's a potential that the Supreme Court or other lawyers would try to expand that decision to make it go back to everybody that's ever been convicted by a non-unanimous jury.
East Baton Rouge District Attorney Hiller Moore says if the High Court overturns a 1972 decision, it could mean a flood of appeals from those previously convicted, and in his words, a strain on time, money, courts, and litigators.
How do I handle what I do with my victims? A lot of victims and witnesses who are dead, evidence that's now destroyed because the time has passed.
It's unclear how many defendants had been convicted in the state with split juries, but no matter the number.
The concept of justice is a little bit overwhelming, but it doesn't mean that it's not worth pursuing.
Unanimous jury advocates say the cost to fix a Jim Crow-era law meant to undermine black jurors is worth it, and that ignoring past cases would bear a far greater cost.
If you or your loved one had been convicted by a non-unanimous jury and were in prison today, you would not be persuaded by an argument from a district attorney or anyone else that because of inconvenience, we can't revisit that decision.
The High Court's decision will not likely come for another year. Moore says despite possible strains tied to revisiting prior convictions, he supports requiring unanimous juries for future cases.
DAs across this state are people just like you and me. They want to do the right thing, and if they need resources to revisit these things, then that is the price of justice.
For NBC Local 33 News, I'm Harrison Golden.